Welcome to the Manufacturing Indaba 2025, where Africa's industrial heartbeat comes alive. Among the leaders driving innovation, skills development, and sustainability in the sector is none other than Transnet Engineering. As one of the key exhibitors at this year's Indaba, Transnet Engineering showcased its role as a powerhouse in advanced manufacturing, rail solution, and industrial capability, not only for South Africa, but for the African continent. From precision engineering to world-class refurbishment, Transnet Engineering has unveiled its capabilities across the entire manufacturing value chain, encompassing component production, maritime services, rolling stock maintenance, and export-grade manufacturing aligned with global standards.
My presentation was giving an overview in terms of what we have manufactured to date for the ports and what support are we giving to the ports in line with our capabilities. We have facilities within the Transnet Engineering space where we can do manufacturing of port equipment. We're also collaborating with original equipment manufacturers. As you know, that most of the port or maritime equipment are not locally sourced. These equipment are sourced internationally. So we want to be that local agent or a conduit within the South African space or in Africa to support the port businesses locally so that we also alleviate the long lead time items that we can keep locally or manufacture locally, because as you can see that most of the port equipment, once they are manufactured overseas or internationally, they take some time to come. However, you'll find there will be a noise in the port where the turnaround time of the cargo that they're handling or the availability of equipment is not adequate. So Transnet Engineering Maritime Business is there for that support in collaboration with the port colleagues within the Transnet ODs.
Transnet Engineering's presence went beyond machines. At the heart of their mission lies a commitment to transformation, developing critical skills for South Africa's future.
What we were just sharing with the community here is our extensive footprint, firstly in the local economy. We have about 5 plants in about 5 of the major projects, 5 of the major provinces. So we've got plants in Cape Town, in the Eastern Cape, in Uitenhage, in Gauteng, as well as in Durban and in Bloemfontein. All these plants manufacture locomotives, they manufacture wagons, as well as support TFR through maintenance. Now, one of the unique things about Transnet and how we were set up such that we are self-sustainable. So even though we are producing rolling stock for our customer, which is major customer is internal right now, which is Transnet Freight Rail, but we've developed capability in fabrication as well as in maintaining the components that go to support locomotives and go to support wagons. And so we find that area we've got so much capacity that is not now just limited to Transnet, but its capacity can be offered to the market at large. And so we're also putting it out there that we are open to do business with the market. Transnet is a South African organization, it's a state-owned company, and therefore we want to support the industry.
Through powerful engagements with manufacturers, SMMEs, government leaders, and regional partners, Transnet Engineering reaffirmed its role in building strong industrial ecosystems, driving collaboration, and boosting economic development.
The intention today, and also the message that we wanted to spread across, is enablement of manufacturing and how manufacturing can make a difference in South Africa in terms of opportunities in the rolling stock support. So one of the areas that we really paid attention to is onboarding and also enablement of after-sales service for rolling stock support throughout the region. Since Transnet is going to be offering rolling stock to private users on the underutilized or unutilized capacities that we have that have been allocated for the LISCO. We want to onboard and enhance productivity and also efficiency in rolling stock utilization in the region, which will also consequently enable cross-border trade with regards to freight movement. And that's not only limited to that, it's also limited to passenger services that we're going to be providing also in the region.
With one eye on the future, Transnet Engineering is investing in smart technology and sustainable practices, redefining what African industry can look like. At the Manufacturing Indaba 2025, Transnet Engineering stood as a symbol of what's possible when public enterprise meets private sector innovation with people at the center. A story of infrastructure, inclusion, and impact.
I was on a panel that was discussing the role of public-private partnerships as far as they facilitate manufacturing. It was a very fulfilling panel where we had a wide range of panelists from funders to investors, and the audience was also quite engaging. In our Reinvent for Growth strategy, one of the things that we've identified is the role of private sector partnerships as an anchor to being able to turn around Transnet and to grow. So for us, the role of PPPs or private sector partnerships is absolutely critical, and it's the work that we are seized with and we do every single day. It's a journey of love. It's got lots of work. We are knocking off some successes, banking some successes. It's still early days, but I think the future looks absolutely brilliant. There are some absolutely exciting ventures that we are working on across the entire board, if you will, from LNG terminals to railway leasing companies to infrastructure development. So very exciting times. Yeah, we're very fulfilled with what we're doing.
Transnet Engineering, powering progress, building futures.